Hello, welcome to ECBSC online classes. Let's learn about factors of a number now. Let's quickly recall division. Let's divide number 8 with number 4. To do that, we'll write 8 on one side of the line as shown here and 4 on the other side. And we know that 4 times 2 is equal to 8, so we write 2 at the top and subtract 8 from 8 such that you get answer 0. As you see here, number 8 is called dividend, number 4 is called divisor, 2 is called coefficient, and 0 is called remainder. Please take a note of that. So 8 can be written as 4 times 2 plus 0, or in other words, dividend is equal to divisor times coefficient plus remainder. Please take a note of that. Let's learn about factors of a number now. Let us divide 4 with numbers ranging from 1 to 4. To do that, we have to first divide number 4 with 1 and you get remainder 0. Let's divide number 4 with 2. You get remainder 0 again. Let's divide number 4 with 3. You got remainder 1. Divide 4 with number 4 such that you get remainder 0. Let's observe the reminders now. As you see here, reminders of some of the divisions are 0 and some are not, right? When remainder is 0 for a division, we say that the divisor divides the dividend exactly and the divisor is called a factor of the dividend. Please take a note of that. In this particular case, factors of 4 are 1, 2 and 4 because for these divisions we have remainder 0. In the case of number 3, the remainder is 1. That's why number 3 is not a factor of 4. Please take a note of that. Let's find factors of 12 now. Let's divide 12 with number 1. You got remainder 0. Divide 12 with 2. You got remainder 0. 12 with 3. 0 again remainder. Let's divide 12 with 4. Remainder is 0. Let's divide 12 with 5. You got remainder 2 here. Let's divide 12 with 6. You got remainder 0 here again. Divide 12 with 7. Remainder is 5. Divide 12 with 8. Remainder is 4. Divide 12 with 9. Remainder is 3. Divide 12 with 10. Remainder is 2. Divide 12 with 11 and you got remainder 1. Let's divide 12 with 12 now to get remainder 0. If you observe the remainders, you can say that what numbers are going to be factors of 12? Those are 1, 2, 3, 4, 6 and 12, right? Let's quickly take a look at multiplications tables chart. I say that this is a multiplication tables chart you can obtain by putting up to tables 12 in one place. In this table, I'm marking number 2 in the first row or the top row. I'm marking the first column here. And now I'm marking the column corresponding to number 2 in the top row, right? I say that this is a multiplication table for number 2. That is 2 times 1 equal to 2, 2 times 2 equal to 4, 2 times 3 equal to 6 and so on, right? How to read the multiplication chart to get this table is the following. 2 times 1 equal to 2. You see 2 times 2 equal to 4. I'm showing them using arrows. 2 times 3 equal to 6. 2 times 4 equal to 8 and so on, right? This is how one can write multiplication tables from this multiplication tables chart. Now, instead of marking 2, if I mark 6 and the column corresponding to number 6, then what I have is the table for number 6. That is 6 times 1 equal to 6, 6 times 2 equal to 12, and so on, right? Let's go back to the factors problem again. Let's find factors of 4 using multiplication table chart we have given just now. To do that, let's set the tables up to number 4. I have marked the tables up to number 4 using yellow color square, right? As you see here, 4 appears in the table of 1, and 4 is appearing in the table of 2, and 4 is appearing in the table of 4, right? It means that factors of 4 are 1, 2, and 4. Similarly, we can find factors of number 12 with the help of multiplications table chart. To do that, we have to consider the whole of the table given here, because this is a multiplication tables chart put up for 12 by 12, right? Let's set tables up to 12 to find the factors. As you see here, 12 appears in the table of 1, 12 appears in the table of 2, 12 is there in the table of 3, 12 is there in the table of 4, 12 is there in the multiplication table of 6, and 12 appears in the table multiplication table of 12, right? And you can figure it out, 12 appears nowhere else in this table. So from this we can say that factors of 12 are 1, 2, 3, 4, 6 and 12. I hope you liked the video. Please subscribe to our channel ECBSC Online Classes on YouTube and follow us on Facebook. Thank you.